that's me. You may be wondering how I got myself in this situation. But first off, my name is Annalise, or as people on the internet may know me as A-Dog. And holy cow, I'm in trouble because it's spring break and I have a project due for school that's due in less than a week and I've had the entire year to work on. But where did it all go wrong? I'm here to find out.
Well, throughout the year, I was constantly brainstorming ideas to use for my project.
During marching band? Alright, it's the show. Uh-oh, I think my chromatic run's about to come up. It's gotta be perfect. Wait a second. What am I gonna do for my personal project? Aw, nuts. When I wrestled. Chick is so freaking dead. I'm gonna kick her butt so hard. Wait. Butt hard. Oh, my personal project. Golly gee, what am I gonna do? Hey girl, what do you think I should do for my personal project? Uh-huh, yeah, I'm listening. Uh-huh, well yeah, you know you really haven't been that much help, so I'm just gonna pin you now. Thanks, sweetie. Even a little bit on the beach. What can I do for this stinking project? Yeah, wait a second. Are those called swimmers? Ma, hold my juice box.
Well, with all that brainstorming, I thought of many ideas, but they were not quite up to my prestigious standards.
What am I gonna do for this stinking project? Well, I could always make a t-shirt. Nah, that's kind of lazy. Or I could become a better artist. Nah, that's kind of I'm already a great artist. I'm already great. Or, oh, my belly button's sticking out. Whoopsies. Or I could, whoop. What else could I do? I could make some delicious, scrumptious chocolate chip brownies.
I even thought up the idea for a comic about a vicuña, which is an animal similar to a llama, where he lives in Peru and he starts a band and then he moves to America.
Here he is. This is Vinny Vicuña, and I gave him his hat, his Peru hat, and my pipe right there. And there's him playing the guitar because he was in a band. From working on this character, I know a lot about Peru, more than the average person that's my age, I'll say. Like, did you know that the coat of arms on Peru, like sometimes they'll put on the flag, the coat of arms, it has a vicuña on it. And yeah, I just thought that was cool. But that's a little Peru knowledge for you.
Everyone has a hero.
True.
0 people shouldn't have a hero.
Yeah.
Peru.
He is my hero. He is really nice. So I went and made a
Comic.
about him twice.
What?
Comic?
About me twice?
A-Dog.
That's really nice. Yeah. Hit me up if you ever need advice.
But it didn't work. That's just what happens, I guess.
Oh! 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 Or I could make a YouTube video. I do that all the time, and it's so much fun. But you know, one that's maybe a little higher quality than some of my other videos.
And please don't go.
I will conquer you freaking all. Don't eat the seed, you dip. Big Daddy Cancer.
It took you a whole semester to think of that? You moron. Now, what's the video gonna even be about, dude? Dude! I realized I had opened a whole new can of worms. What's the video even gonna be about?
Why don't I make a cartoon? So that's what I set out to do. The first step to making a proper cartoon is having a program to make it with. So I did lots and lots of research to find the perfect program, until I finally found it. OpenToons, a free program that was used by the likes of Studio Ghibli, or Ghibli, whatever.
There were only a couple problems. Just a couple.
Despite being all that in Jesus' armpit hair, the program was prone to crashing.
Dang it crashed again!
There were constant sibling distractions.
Jeez!
Get out of here! I'm trying to work on my project. You're being a little pest.
But I want to see what you
Well, I don't care what you want to do. You know what I want to do? This. 1, 2, 3. All done. Get out. And the mental anguish in the form of my mother requesting me to do labor. I said mental anguish in the form of my mother. What do you what?
Annalise!
What?
Come put away your laundry!
I'm working on my project right now.
Annalise, now!
I worked on trying to make an animation in this program for about a month. Like, I made this whole rig of this character. It's a Pokemon, the new Pokemon that's come out. And let me show you how far I got. Okay, here goes. Let me just push play. This is the fruits of my labor. Thank you. And to further add insult to injury. Oh my gosh, do you see this? Spring break is coming!
Yeah.
And the deadline is coming close too! Oh my gosh.
As do many things that ticked me off. Ooh.
Hey Anna, what you doing?
I'm freaking out. Get out of here. I'm busy! Get out of here!
Why you? Oh, okay.
I'm sure you're like, there's no way she's gonna finish this 2 in a week. You're so dead, dude. But don't worry, don't worry. But you know, as they say, if there's a puppy, so cute. But you know, as they say, if there's a will, there's a way, and I will find a way to get this done. And I did. I knew I was gonna be on the beach, so I decided to do something cool on the beach. What's cool? A music video.
So my process for this project went along the lines of filming, drawing, editing, and then teaching myself to sing so I wouldn't get another copyright strike.
Well, it's time. After all of this hard work, it's time for the one, the only, the amazing. Open your eyes and widen your ears because here it is, my music video. God bless you.
Actually, click here or the link in the description. Don't want this video to be too long.
Got him! Got him!
It's reflection time on the beautiful beach.
This journey has helped me grow and has enlightened me as a creative entity. I know that while sticking with a project can lead to a great final piece, it can also lead to a piece of crap that you feel very mad when you work on. That's why it is always great to branch out and try new things like a music video on the beach. This project forced me to finish a YouTube video, which is something I have not done in quite a while with my hectic high schooler schedule. Most high schoolers would be too busy to produce a piece of work as beautiful as my music video, but I powered through and made a Spielberg-esque piece of media. This video has to be the best thing I have ever produced in my entire life. The fruits of my labor have really paid off in the form of a killer music video. Also, this project aided in building my self-esteem because I pranced around naked half the time and taught myself to sing like a fool. In addition, part of my project goal is to get more subscribers, so please subscribe to my channel. IB is helping do God's work. IB is the Lamb worthy of our praise. Alleluia, alleluia. Without IB, I would have not made this outstanding piece of media, and my life would have no meaning.
Thank you, and have an excellent stinking day. God bless America. God bless IB. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you.